Hi friends, I am Ashwini Kumble. With my friends Reggie and Sindhu, I have developed an Android GPS application. It's a really cool application that provides a lot of features that most of the GPS applications do not provide. Some of the salient features that our application provides are apart from routing, it also provides safety levels of the route, and important is it gives predictions of buses and metro routes. Our application is named Travel Safe, and I'll take you over through the application now. Here is my Android phone. I'm switching it on, unlocking it, and the train icon, the metro train icon that you see here is the icon of our application. And since our application is mostly targeted for metro users, and since safety is a major concern for metro users, we have named our application Travel Safe, and the icon is also the metro train icon. I'm going to click it now, and the application is going to launch. Okay, here comes the main page of our application. The way we have designed this application is like we have maintained all the conventions that any GPS system usually provides, because we don't want the users of this application to think too much while using this. So this is the main screen that you see when the application is launched, and here you see the Google Maps view. I have used the Google Maps API to show this view, and when I touch the map, I get the zoom in and zoom out controls, which disappear quickly if you don't use it. So I can zoom out, I can zoom in, and I can pan left, pan right, and pan up, down. It's really cool that Google Map APIs are very easily usable in the code, and it's really easy to implement them in Androids actually. And in the upper part of the user interface, you see some text boxes. The from text box is where the user enters the from address, and to is where he enters the to address. And there is an option to also swap the from and to addresses using this button. And below them, you see two buttons actually, the drive and the walk buttons, and a spinner. I'll just show you this, yes, for choosing the priority of public transport routes. I'll explain it to you shortly. For now, let's enter a from address. What do I enter? Okay, let me enter Holocaust Memorial in Washington, D.C. And this is a really cool feature that Android provides. It provides options for auto-completing the text. As you see here, Android is suggesting me what to choose. Okay, I choose Holocaust Memorial. And the user also need not use any commas or anything to separate words in the address. Space is also very well recognized as a word separator. Okay, Washington, I see Washington here. Washington, D.C., okay. Okay. Now, the to address, I can put the to address as the Judiciary Square, again in Washington, D.C. Yeah, I forgot to mention that we have implemented this application only for the DC metro area for now, but we can always scale up this application to be used in other areas of United States as well. So Judiciary Square. Okay, I see that here. Washington, D.C. So since it's not very convenient to type on the touchscreen phones, usually any phone with a touchscreen offers very good auto-completion features. I'm trying to move to the Judiciary Square actually.